From the first stone to the speeding train, from farming tools to nanoscale chips, the development of human tools has always promoted the progress of productivity. To do good deeds, the weapon must be sharpened first. Nobeve is an advanced carbide gear tool supplier in China, committed to the design, manufacturing, and sales services of solid carbide tools. We provide cutting tool solutions for customers in multiple industries. Decades of process precipitation. Nobeve has its roots in the carbide hob market, meticulously crafted production of various types of standard and non-standard precision gear hob. Nobeve always insists on using the original tungsten steel solid bar imported from Conrad Fried Company in Germany as the hob knife embryo. The knife face protective layer is attached to the PVD coating of olecam bias. No matter the application in dry and oil chip environments below 45 degrees HRC, it is still a hard chip in an oil cooling environment of 45 degrees to 62 degrees in HRC. All have outstanding performance. Nobeve gear cutters, widely used in automobile and motorcycle, agricultural machinery, machine tools, engineering machinery, lifting and transportation, weapons and equipment, automobile, transmission, instrumentation, medical apparatus, and other industries. Enter 6S Management, serving global users. Nobeve uses its excellent technical force to promote the project plan for the introduction of leading talents. Cultivated a group of experienced elite teams. Respond to the personalized needs of global customers with first-class service. Exploration and innovation go hand in hand. Quality goes hand in hand with brand, from design to development, from production inspection to after-sales services. Nobeve is grasping every link. Each hob we produce has a unique number of lasers for information, traceability, and collection and tracking. Our mini program and applications assist customers in tracking the progress of orders and after-sales services. Each hob grinding record can be traced back to the whole process. From today to the future, Nobeve will gather more talents, introduce more advanced equipment, make the industrial blade more accurate, efficient, and intelligent. On the road to assisting the development of China's manufacturing industry, Nobeve escorts you